You're on camera, smart. Going up the waterfall to eat some durians. 1 durian for each fruitarian.
Boom! You want some of them?
You?
Eat your durian, man. That's how you get it. Show the panels.
Mm.
You want to be a king, you're gonna eat. That's where you came from. Yeah, man. Yeah, one time strike.
Where's Danny? Can I get a hello there?
Hey, beautiful people!
Yo!
Come with the royalty!
Fruitarian durian party.
How's it going?
No plastic containers.
Oh, you're hot, man.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Dried up completely. That's good. Coming through! Watch out the way, Josh! Some fruit, Dan.
Lapping out that sun, being a sun eater.
Yeah,
Get
buddy.
outside, get that vitamin D.
Get that vitamin D.
Yeah.
Durian, that is.
Can I get a hello?
Can I get a hello there?
Yeah, I know exactly what you're talking about.
Chilling at the waterfall
Seeing how
here
we're doing things that are very embodied.
with all these beautiful
It means that we
butterflies.
get our energy up from the fruit and whatever, the sun, whatever. But then also because we're doing the water, the cold stuff, using our inner fire, we're grounding, embodying it. And then we're able to consciously catch butterflies on our toes. He likes it.
Oh, I've got ants all over me again.
This is the friendliest butterfly I've ever seen in my life, man.
I got the durian. He's got the durian. And what's this? Yet another beautiful durian.
It's the 3 kings, man.
We are the kings of durian. Woo! Get into this delectable beast. Oh yeah.
Epic, man. My balls. My balls are gonna be massive after this.
Look at that. Oh, dude, look at that one.
Everyone's going crazy over this.
Oh,
Good ass fucking durian.
Oh yeah,
We
baby.
got a new
Is that a picture perfect fucking durian or what?
Oh my god, that's like caramel.
I gotta try this, baby.
Oh, I'm so happy. Oh.
That is durian. The color of this is awesome. Oh, this one. This is hands down the best piece of durian I've ever had in my life.
Another bite.
Of my dead motherfucking body.
It's that good.
Oh, this is the best durian I have ever experienced.
That's a fucking good durian. That's the kind of durian that makes me want to just eat more durian every day.
Life could not be better. Eating durian, Chiang Mai, Thailand. Sexy fruitarians. What more could you want?